Hey friends, I just want to take a minute to remind you of how to log in to ReadWorks because it's been a while since we've done this. So you'll click the link below this video and it will take you to readworks.org. Remember that you're going to click Student Login over here on the right-hand side. It will take you to this page that says Login with Google. Most of you already have an account, so please go ahead and log in with Google. Those of you that do not, I will be sending you an email. I'm going to select Justin today because he's the student in this class. And it will take me to my classes page. If you're in Miss Jones, it will say Jones HR 2021. But if you are Mitchell's homeroom, it will say Mitchell HR 2021. Click on your class. It will bring you to an assignments to-do list. Most of you should only have one assignment. He has several because he hasn't done any of them, obviously. If it doesn't, you can always click here for assignments up here at the top, and it will bring you right back to the same page. Your assignment for today should say A Tale of Segregation, Fetching Water. Click on your assignment to open it. I want to point out several tools for you today. Number one, please notice there are 3 tabs up here on the left. There is a short passage. There is also a video that you need to watch. Make sure that you watch the entire video, 2 minutes and 26 seconds. In addition, there are questions. That will be the last thing you do. So please make sure that you read your passage carefully. I want you to see, though, that you have some special tools to help you out today. One of them is when you see a blue word, you can click on the word and it will open up the definition. It will also read the definition for you. The definition doesn't record well, but if you push the speaker, and then if you push the speaker for the definition and the sentence, it doesn't record well on this video, but it will say it for you, and you can listen to the definition be read to you as well as the example sentence from the passage. Please make sure you use that tool if you are unfamiliar with these words. When you've finished reading, you will click on the video to watch the video, and then finally the questions. When you get to the part about the questions, I want you to remember that you can use these tools in the top right-hand side. You can double column it. So when you click on the 2 columns, your passage is in the left, your 10 questions are on the right. I would strongly encourage you to use this tool. It is so helpful. When you're reading, you can use this bar, the tracking tool, to help you track where you are reading so that the other words on the page do not distract you. That is your choice whether or not you use that. You can take it off by clicking it again. This is the paragraph symbol, which will add paragraph numbers. And finally, you have the enlarged print symbol, which will make the print much larger for you if it's hard for you to read, like it sometimes is for Mrs. Jones. When you are double columning it, I've taught you how to find evidence for your questions. You can do that here as well. Notice right here, it's already been highlighted. So if I think, oh, this is the answer for number 1, I can highlight it by using my mouse. I can pick a color, and then I can add a note by writing in the box question 1 and add the note. If I decide that this answer or this highlighting is wrong, I can also take it off by deleting my note, clicking on my highlighting, and Xing it out. Please, please use evidence to find answers for your question. I want you to make a good grade, and you can do that by taking your time to find evidence. Your work is automatically saved, but when you are finished answering all 10 questions, you need to be sure that you click Submit at the bottom on ReadWorks. This is how I'm able to grade your assignment. If you do not click Submit, I cannot give you a grade. So when you've completed your assignment, you will click Submit here. You are not submitting this through Canvas, you are submitting through ReadWorks. Make sure that you answer every single question, find evidence for your question, and click Submit at the bottom. All right, guys, I feel like you've got this. If you have questions, make sure you write them in the chat bar with me, or those of you in class can raise your hand. You're doing great.